Okay, so moving into the last bit of this haircut so that we can sort of close it down. You've obviously got your sides in, you've got your back in, you've got a nice sort of long layer going through that haircut. Again, this is different, going back to that thing that I told you right at the very beginning about your 3 sections. The last section that I always put in personally is the top. So I create a horseshoe, just so that you can guide where you're going in. So there's my horseshoe section, that for this purpose I will clip up out the way just so that you can see it, and I will show you that that's what you need to be creating. Okay, so you see your horseshoe. Okay. So that you know that that's what you're doing. You're going to come to the crown where you started off, and hopefully your guide will be there. There's your guide, you see it? Nice clear guide. Take another section of 1 inch. This is the basic way of cutting hair, okay? Once we start to get better and better at it, you will start to add different, and we're still working on that 90 degrees. See, there's your graduation, there's your guideline. This is what we call blunt or club cutting, because if you watch what happens, we're not texturising it. We're literally taking a straight line, coming through from the root, not too much in your fingers, up to the top, find your guide, and a straight blunt line. Take your next section, guiding yourself with some of it from the previous section. Okay, remember, not massive sections, nice clean lines, guiding up, coming through. There's our guide, we lose it, we roll. Okay, and that's all you're going to do. You're just going to work through that section, making sure that you've not missed the sides, because that's where we just not done before. Keeping that angle as you go, and then your haircut will be done. Okay, working through to the last bit. Doesn't want to stand still for me. Coming through. Remember, clean sections, not too big, not too much in your hands, because otherwise you'll just end up really rapidly losing it. Just be really careful when you go shorter, and I'll explain that on another haircut. The way that I'm doing this at the front now will vary from haircut to haircut because of the shapes we want to create. Okay, so I'm just double checking that last bit. Put my sides in. Yep. So just cross checking now, just finalising this little bit of haircut. What I'll do is I will go on style and finish it, not on camera, purely because of the noise and you wouldn't be able to hear what I was saying. But I'm just going to very rapidly put a product into it, so I'm going to use a salt spray for a style like this, and I'll come back to you and I'll show you the finished result. Okay? If you've got any questions, please write them down as you're watching the video clips and ask. Obviously these are unprecedented times. This isn't the best way for you to learn, but it's much better than you not getting anything at all.